Hey there. Welcome to our channel Young and Fit.
Today we are going to talk about kids' nutrition.
Healthy nutrition is a very important part of a child's life. Young children need more importance in nutrition due to their growing stage. It is important for them to learn the difference between healthy and unhealthy foods. Healthy eating stabilizes their energy, improves their minds, even out their moods, and helps them maintain a healthy weight. Increase your kids' physical activity to 90 minutes. Let your kids make healthy choices while shopping and cooking. Teach your kids about health and nutrition. Try reducing the screen time of your kids, and set a fixed time to use mobile or watch TV. Focus on your child's overall diet. Be your child's role model. A child picks up habits from his or her parents. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. Do not forget to subscribe for further videos.
Drop it.